There is no beating around the bush. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Pink Jo Green. If you have these 5 top qualities, then you have a chance of succeeding in learning how to sew and developing your skill set as a professional seamstress, tailor, sewist one day, whatever you want to call it. You also might have a shot at one day running your own tailoring business and being successful at it. Let's talk about it. Number 1, you do need excellent skills in sewing. You need to have a wide range of knowledge. Sewing well comes with practice. There's no 2 ways around it. There is no beating around the bush. You have to just sit down on your little tushy and you have to learn how to sew. You have to put in the hours. You have to put in countless hours. Number 2, you need patience. Yes! That is patience. How many of us actually have patience? Let's be honest. Most of us like to think that we are patient people, but are we really patient? In order to learn a new skill and to be able to master it, you need to be patient. You need to be able to get over those humps of not feeling good about yourself in the moment when you're struggling, and to try again. Number 3, the willingness to make mistakes. Okay, people, it's okay to mess up. It is okay to make mistakes. You will eventually succeed because with consistency, that is how you build the muscle memory in your fingers. The ease of sewing comes with muscle memory, and the only way you're going to get muscle memory is by being consistent. Yeah, making mistakes means it's going to cost you money. So don't start off your projects with the most expensive things like I did. So the 4th one is consistency, okay? If you're willing to make mistakes, then you will be consistent. Willingness to learn and consistency. Willingness to make mistakes and consistency. They are friends, okay? They go together. Number 5 is attention to detail. You need to be able to have attention to detail because that is actually the thing that makes garments special. Whether it is a sit-in technique, a trim, a detail, a style line, the way that you use a fabric, all of that is what makes garments special. Do you see how all of these things go hand in hand? And finally, you need to have creative problem solving skills. Able to think about what you're going to do before you actually do it. That's a very important skill to have because you can spend so much time making mistakes and spending countless hours on a project and not getting the monetary value for it in the end. Last but not least, you need to have a good attitude. Attitude is everything. I honestly think attitude is the thing that's going to determine whether you are going to attract success or repel it. Yeah. I did work in the tailoring industry, making custom suits. I did wedding dresses, bridesmaids dresses. I make my own patterns. I did alterations professionally for Hugo Boss. I spent a lot of countless hours by myself, perfecting my skills, applying that knowledge into my own projects so that I built the knowledge base. It is still about dedication and it's about the commitment to learning something and applying the knowledge that you have learned. It literally has taken me 12 years to get to the level that I'm at where I am confident in my abilities and I know what I'm talking about. Are you ready to prove to yourself that you have these qualities? Share with us in the comments how many of these qualities do you possess and what are some of the qualities that you are lacking and how do you intend on bringing them up to a high level so that you have the best chance, the best shot to being successful. All right.